Let's show you Mission Bay this morning. It's a little hazy out there, not too foggy. Most of the clouds are off the ground. We can see them there. And this is what it looks like from up above. You can see thick marine layer clouds leading to some fog in many areas. In fact, visibility less than a mile in many spots this morning. That includes El Cajon, Kearney Mesa, Carlsbad, Vista, and Fallbrook. So the 15, the 8, the 163, the 805. Some of those areas are going to deal with visibility that drops off pretty significantly. So leave time for travel. Tomorrow morning, not worried about any fog. So just one more day of that. Temperatures are starting off in the 40s for areas like Ramona, Escondido, Fallbrook this morning. 62 downtown though, 60 in Imperial Beach, and 59 to start off in Chula Vista. So that little low pressure system that I was talking about yesterday is now sitting over us, still ushering in that sea breeze, and that's why the fog is with us again this morning. That will finally exit through the day today. High pressure is going to build, and that's going to act to squash out any clouds. So no fog or clouds at all expected tomorrow. In fact, tomorrow and Saturday will be the warmest days of the week when temperatures trend 5 to 15 degrees above normal. We'll see cooling Sunday into Veterans Day, but overall really pleasant conditions into the holiday. Highs in the mid 70s to potentially low 80s tomorrow and Saturday along our coast, briefly in the 60s by Monday. Our inland neighborhoods will be in the mid to upper 80s tomorrow and Saturday. 70s return on Monday, looking like another round of at least weak Santa Ana winds could return by Tuesday. So it'll be warm, dry, and breezy by then. Temperatures will be in the 70s in our mountains through Sunday and highs near 90 through Saturday in the deserts, getting a little cooler next week. Kalina?